Over the years, I've had many people contact me and asking me if it's too late to start drawing or painting. Is it too late to start with art? The funny thing is, I've had teenagers who were half the age of me tell me that they feel like it's too late for them to start. They're 14 and 15 years old, and they already feel like it's too late to start. Now, if you're a lot older, in your 60s or 50s or even 40s, and you're watching this, you're probably laughing right now because that is just so ridiculous, right? For a young person, so young, to think it's already too late to start something. I feel just the same about somebody in their 70s. I think, why is it too late to start? They probably feel like they can't get to where they want because they're going to start too late, or that they'll never be able to learn it, or they'll never be able to be good at it. But I really think that you're going to regret it if you don't just start and do what you want to do. No matter what age you are, no matter what step in the journey you are in your life, you're going to regret it if you don't start to do what you want to do, right? Regardless of what you think or what you feel or what kind of beliefs you have, if you think it's too late or you're not going to be able to get where you want or you'll never learn it, you'll never be good at it, it doesn't matter, right? There's a lot of people later in their life, they had something they were passionate about when they were young, but instead of following that, they ended up having a family and getting a career. They became a doctor or something, and they realized when they get to an old age that, oh man, I should have painted, I should have become a painter and did this, and now it's too late for me to start, it's too late for me to get into painting, I'm retired now, and it's just too late. I feel like this is a very dangerous idea because, you're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret if you don't start, and that's really something you want to avoid, right? All right, so before I get too far into this video, I want to talk about today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. So thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning and wants to explore their creativity and learn new skills. I first became interested in Skillshare when I was working on a project for my day job, which involved video editing and motion graphics. This led me to a class called Animating with Ease by Jake Bartlett. I found this class to be super helpful when it came to basic animation and motion graphics that I needed to complete my video project at work. I feel more confident with animating and using After Effects, which has been a big help in my career. The cool thing I like about Skillshare is that there are new premium classes launched each week, so there's always something new to discover, and all the videos are ad-free, which help me to stay in the zone while learning new skills. The first 1,000 people to use the link in my description box or my code SchaeferArt will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. All right, so let's get back into talking about why I feel it's never too late. I have this idea that it's never too late to start something. And the reason why is because as long as you enjoy it, as long as you enjoy what you're doing and you're willing to learn it, I think that's all you need, right? You just need the passion, the enjoyment of it, and the willingness to learn. You have to change the way you think about creating. You got to have fun, enjoy the process. It's not about the end goal. It's not about how good you're going to get at it, or you're not going to have enough time, or it's too late for you now and you're not going to have a career with it. Put all that aside. Why do you want to learn to draw? Why do you want to learn to paint? Why do you want to create? There's something inside of you that's coming out of you that you have this burning passion inside of you that wants to create something. So fulfill that thing, create, start creating. It's never too late. So you have to change your thoughts, change the way you approach this thing. And what you're going to learn is that, I think what you're going to learn is that you're able to try something even though you thought it was too late to try. I've had people that have had success in this, that have been 72 or 82, 83, and they started painting from some of my tutorials or drawing, and they're so happy they did. They're like, wow, I never thought I could learn at this old, when I'm, this age. I thought it was too late for me, but I'm like really enjoying my life now. This is so great. Like, they're finding peace and joy at such a older age that they never thought they could have. And I think this could happen at any stage in your life, right? You don't have to be 70 or 80, and you don't have to be 14 or 15. You can be 30 years old and start learning animation, or start learning something, or learn a new trade, or be 55 years old, or if you retire, you can take up golf or learn to draw or paint or do anything. There's no time limit on any of this stuff. As long as you have a passion for it and the willingness to learn it and put energy into it and time, it comes down to do you want to be happy? You don't want to regret not trying, because, you know, a really important quote I've heard before, I think it's a Chinese proverb, I believe, you know, they say the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second, I think the next best time to plant a tree is today. And I think that's perfect. It sums up perfectly about drawing and painting and thinking it's too late to start. You know, yeah, you could have started a few years ago and now it's too late, but the second best time to start is right now. So go for it, man. Don't let anything stop you or hold you back. Anyway, hope you found this valuable. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. Peace.